Hey, it's Greg with Milam American Railroad. I just want to do a quick video on some of the new stuff that I got for Christmas, and I need to do an update on the layout because there is a new bridge. Sorry, everything's such a mess, but I do have a new bridge for the second layer in. I shifted it over. Got the main loop laid on the inside. The inside loop is completely done all the way around. I've actually been able to run some trains and try to make a couple videos for it so I can you guys can see the complete layout. I've just been sitting trying to figure out the new engine. My mom and dad got me a very nice MTH Premier SD80MAC. Beautiful engine. I mean, I've seen videos for them online, but until you see one up close and really see the detail of the engine, it's very, very impressive. A lot of detail. Runs excellent. There's one of my other presents too. The MTH DCS system. That's the TIU unit, and then this is the remote here. And what I was going to do, I need to back this up a little bit. And again, I need to do some cleaning up, show you some updates on the new bridge. I'm going to do another video tonight at night after I clean up. Alright, I'm going to zip around the track a couple times. That X in the back there is where the outside loop will go up to the second layer and then come back down. I still got that whole section over there to build where it's going. There'll be a whole top layer that it will be going underneath. Got the LED lights wired up underneath the bridge, as you can see. Some axles, I think.
Okay, come in, track.
Alright, just a quick video. Wanted to, there'll be more to come. I'm gonna get things kind of cleaned up a little bit, and I need to kind of, now this is just temporary wiring of the TIU unit. I need to get it mounted in a spot, drill some holes, mount some wires, get everything hidden and cleaned up, make it look all nice and pretty. You could do some serious cleaning, as you can see. I was busy laying track and putting down foam board, so all my tools are still laying out.
Make sure we've got enough grit on the iron.
And I'll kind of go over the bridge a little bit more, and you'll definitely see a lot more runtime of this beauty. This is my first big engine that I've had, especially in a Premier line like this. This thing is incredible. So much fun, so much pulling power, it's unbelievable. And then these are just some of my cars. This is the few of the cars that I've picked up along the way. But thanks for watching, guys. And again, like to say thank you to my mom and dad for Christmas for giving me this beautiful engine. And then I'd also like to put a little word in for AA Train Repair. They're the guys that I bought my DCS system from. They're in Largo. I'll try to put a link up on my YouTube page. But they're really good guys. They got O-scale, HO, and N-scale stuff there. If you ever have any questions or need anything, they've got great technical support there. Just a really good bunch of guys. And again, that's AA Model Train Repair. Thank you.